an important topic. Now, there's little doubt, I think, that the natural gas exploration boom in the Marcellus Shale and other shale gas areas in North America has had a dramatic impact on the prices paid for natural gas service in Pennsylvania and across the country. I've included a couple of graphs in my written testimony. If you look at the graph on page 2 of my testimony, it shows natural gas prices actually from the what's called the Henry Hub in Louisiana, dating back to 2008. Many of you will recall that in the summer of 2008, energy prices shot through the roof. Not just natural gas, but particularly natural gas. Since that summer, natural gas prices have declined, initially in response, I think, partly in response to the recession. But even as we've come out of the recession, even as the economy has hopefully begun to grow again, we've seen natural gas prices continue to decline. If you look at the graphs on the next page, and I think Mr. Westbrook brought up this point, to me the really most significant development in natural gas has been the fact that even as oil prices have gone up in the last couple of years, natural gas prices have continued to decline. It was my experience in the past that oil and natural gas prices tended to move in unison, and it seemed like even the price of natural gas here in Pennsylvania seemed to have more to do with political turmoil in the Middle East than it did to do with the basic rules of supply and demand. What we've seen in the last few years, though, is sort of a decoupling between the oil and gas prices, so that even as, again, in the last year or two, again, we're seeing oil prices up at $100